Oh, what do we got going on here? Just when I thought I saw it all, take my money. I'm slapping it on the table. Bro, I would love to have a mower. Can I do this when the grass is cut? Yo, just when I say I'm finna save my money, you know, so I can start getting me some more stuff, they keep coming out with shit like this. Oh my god. I would have like infinite ways to have my remote control toys just to use this every day. Oh my, bro, you can't tell me that's not satisfying. Speechless. I'll be a monkey's uncle. Look at that. Bro. You know how fun it would be to cut the grass to have this? Like adulting, we the new adults. This is not even fair, bro.